Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable to share sounds in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the more button. And at the personal section, click on the share sounds button. And as you can see, there's a little about section where you can read about this function. And if you want to turn this on, just click on the yes button and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.